Hello, and welcome to my channel, Building Guru. I'm Justin. I've been a contractor in the building, remodeling, and woodworking fields for most of my life. Actually, a client called me the Building Guru one time, and that's how I got the name. You can always find me talking about building, science, design, engineering, and no matter where I go, I'm always checking out a building's structure and quality. I'm that annoying friend you have that has to touch everything when you go out. Hey, I love buildings, what can I say? I've spent a lot of time learning and working in the many different trades, and I enjoy sharing what I've learned with others and helping people build things they can be proud of. So I wanted to make a channel where people can come and get advice, tips, tricks, tool and product reviews, along with inspiring build videos. Because hey, who doesn't love those? So I've put together a little montage of some work. Make sure you watch till the end to see my main man, Freddie. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming. See you next time.